Bingo stop. Update on my call options on the bingo, baby. Alright, let's take it to the charts on the bingo, baby. Alright. You can see right here. Today was a good day. Today was a good day, boy. Up 9.85% on the bingo, okay? Some of the call options are starting to come alive. Things was about dead, you know what I'm saying? They was about to dead drop. They was out. But today is looking like, you know what I'm saying, a nice little green day, baby. Okay. So with that being said, what am I planning on doing with the bingo, baby? I'm still holding strong for the bingo going on, okay? Now you see right here, this is the original old trip line that I bought. A little flag right there. You know, they buried me on that guy. They buried me down. Oh, boom, down. And did a little jumping, pre-jump, back down now. But today, we did a nice little coaster. Up a nice little 10%. See, yesterday, had a nice shot up, but it couldn't hold it. Okay, that thing didn't hold it. Came right back down. Back down to the low mid fives. Today, try to stay up there in the six. You know what I'm saying? Try to stay towards the highest of 596 for the bingo. Okay, so I'm holding strong on the bingo. Gonna see what's going on with bingo. That's your update for the bingo. You know what I'm saying? The dogs is out, but okay. So it's time to get that money, you know what I'm saying? We in now. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Update for the bingo call option.